The problem is the viruses, the bacteria, the pollens, the VOCs that are in the air. Hence, we need to make sure that the air purification solution need not to talk about only pollution, but the problem is more graver. And as we sit here, the problem is even around us right now.
So if you're someone who needs clean air and smart living, well, meet the Meditate AP250 air purifier. This one is the latest innovation from Havells. Yes, the Havells Studio, an umbrella brand of Havells. First, let's talk about the price. It's priced at $23,000 and down from its original price, which is $32,999. Now, this air purifier combines cutting-edge technology with convenience. Now, let's break that down for you. Now, let me clear you first that the Meditate AP250 is the latest addition to Havells lineup. They also showcase their AP400, which has been in the market since last year. The AP400 is definitely bigger in size and is designed to cover large spaces like big villas or halls. First up, let's talk about the powerhouse behind the Meditate AP250. That's the SpaceTech air purification technology. This isn't just a filter, it's a complete air purification system equipped with a TiO2 module. It's designed to destroy bacteria, fungal spores, and allergens while eliminating harmful VOCs without releasing any harmful ozone into your area. Now let's talk about the control. The Meditate AP250 comes with a portable normal remote for real-time air quality monitoring. Now you check your indoor air quality wherever you like and make adjustments on the fly. But that's not all. This air purifier is fully IoT enabled, meaning you can integrate it with Alexa or Google Home for hands-free control. Adjust your air purifier with just a voice command. With the Havells Sync app, you can even schedule when the air purifier turns on and when it turns off. Plus, it notifies you when it's time to change the filter. To top it off, Havells backs this product with a solid 2-year warranty. Well, what else do you want? So if you're looking for a purifier for larger spaces, AP400 is a solid choice. But for more compact homes or apartments, the Meditate AP250 is perfect. It offers some powerful purification in more portable package. Now that's all for this air purifier. In case you want to know anything else, just write into comment section and we'll get back to you.